In a lot of businesses, we need to do calculations where we need to add one or more months to a given date. Examples are warranty, loan period, subscription renewal, and so on. This can be challenging as all the months don't have the same number of dates. This is where the EDATE function in Excel is very useful. Let's take a look. We have two tables here. In the first table, we have a set of dates. We need to add 30 days to each of these dates. With 30, I'm trying to replicate adding 1 month to each of these dates. The formula that I will write is simple. In the cell C2, I will just write A2 plus B2. If we add 30 days or a month to 31st January 2024, we get the result as 1st March. We're trying to replicate adding a month and the result is not perfect. As we copy the formula, we get the results for remaining rows. The outcome is as expected, but for simulating adding a month, this is not exactly accurate. A better alternative to this is using the EDATE function. We again have a set of dates. However, this time instead of number of days, we have the values for number of months that we need to add. I will write the EDATE function in the cell C8. The first parameter is start date. We will give the reference of the date in cell A8. The next parameter is called months and we will select the cell B8. This time we get the answer as 29th February compared to 1st March in cell C2. If we copy, we see the answers are more in line with what we expect. EDATE not only works for finding out the date 1 month later, but can also do calculations for 2, 3, 4 or any number of months. Similarly, let's look at the steps for when we need to calculate dates that are before a given date. In the first table on this sheet, I will write the formula in the cell C2 to subtract 30 days from 31st January. And we get the date as 1st January, which is correct, but not a month before, as January has 31 days. We have similar result for the other rows too. The result is correct, but may not be useful for calculating the date a month before. Let's use the EDATE function for calculating date values 1 or more months back. The formula that we will write in the cell C8 is similar. We will start by writing EDATE. For the start date, we will say cell A8. And for months, we will write minus the value in cell B8. We get the value as 31st December of 2023 compared to 1st January in the cell C2. As you copy, the dates are calculated accurately. So this is how the EDATE function works. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.